Hi guys, so it is Saturday night and I'm starting this vlog now because I want to show you how I get ready for a productive day. Get back into the routine of it, but I'm going to do my skincare and this is my only skincare that I use. So let's put it on and then I'm going to read a bit of my book that I will show you and make my to-do list. Sit. I need 20 minutes today, but I did
Exercise ring closed.
My own routine. And this is it so far. So according to my watch, I've done 28 minutes. According to that, I've done 20 minutes. And now I'm gonna do some weights. So even though I've not done as long as I would like, but as long as I normally do, I still worked out, and that's the main thing. And now I'm going for a shower, so let's get ready. Now my hair's done, we're gonna get on with the day. I did show you my to-do list last night, but just a little summary. I want to hopefully change my bed. I've already worked out, maybe film a video, clean my room, and that's pretty much it. And whatever else happens. But first, I'm going to get lunch. It is now coming up to 3:30 in the afternoon. Now I did have my lunch, but I also hoovered up and helped my mum with drying the dogs. That's why it took me so long, and then I just chilled for a bit. But now I'm going to film the video that I want to film. I'm going to be filming I don't know what I'm going to call it. I need to ask an app thing that I've got that everyone's been going on about what title to call it, but pretty much it is going to be a video about me telling you guys how you can have a night out with a disability. Obviously it all comes down to the type of disability you have. Some people can't handle a proper night out, like it's too much sensory. But if you are like me and you've just got mild cerebral palsy or learning disability, I'm gonna have the word disability in it because you can be autistic and or have autism and still be able to go on a night out. It depends how sensory or how your sensory is affected. I'm assuming, I can only assume, I've not got it myself, but it's like autism, it's like cerebral palsy. There is so many disabilities that are on a spectrum, so I'm gonna call it that. I don't know the exact title, but pretty much I'm giving you guys tips on how to go on a night out and be safe as a disabled person. So let me write down the main thing. Now, if you have not seen my last vlog, that was a content day in my life, I tried to do a script for once and it did not go to plan. I will say the video did quite well. I will say that. I think it did quite well. It done better than my last couple of videos, but I would say it's just the average views I got. It got 59 views, so it did pretty well, but now I'm going to be writing down, instead of doing a script, I'm going to be writing down the main topics or the main tips I want to talk about. I'm going to try and not ramble in the video, so that's why we're going to write it down. I got this book a couple of weeks ago and this is my new content creator book. I have only done 5 tips. Some of them are pretty straightforward that everyone needs to know, but I'm just going to put them in because it's like important tips, like have food before, because you never know who's going to click on your video. A person, let's say, who has never went on a night out and it's their first night out, might click on my video, and I haven't even mentioned having food before, and they might go on a night out without having food. Most likely their friends or family will tell them, but still. So I've tried to like make it around every single disability, not just myself. Like the wearing comfortable clothes, obviously that's for everyone, but I know some people have sensory issues, so that might be a priority for some people. But I'm gonna go and film the video. It should be up before this vlog or after this vlog, one or the other, but I'm gonna go and film it now and I'll catch up with you when I'm finished. So I finished. It is now 4 o'clock, so I'm assuming by guessing from the clock, I have done about a 20-minute video. And that's not too bad, because I might need to edit most of it down. So I'll try and like make it a 10-minute or 15-minute per video, depending how long it is. I'm just assuming because I started at 1:45 and now it's 4 o'clock. But I did all the tips and now I'm going to put the clips in a video. But after I do that, we're gonna start cleaning my room and I'm going to be changing my bed. And then we're gonna get back into comfy clothes, because I don't know about you, but I can't wear jeans that long. But also jeans make me productive. So I'm not gonna change into my jammies up until I've cleaned my bedroom and changed my bed in. Because I know the minute I put my jammies on, I will want to just go downstairs, watch YouTube and chill out. And that's not happening. We're gonna be productive, having a productive day. Let's go. I just wanted to jump on and explain things that will be happening in this time lapse, because after this clip I'm just gonna get on with it and be productive. I'm still doing my bed, but after my bed I'm going to be doing my drawers, just the one with mainly my gym stuff in, but also I've got like skirts and stuff like that, so I'm going to be doing that. So that will be the next clip after the bed time lapse, and then we're gonna just chill. To edit the video now and this vlog, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was a very productive Sunday and I'm going to continue it, but I also can't film me editing because sometimes my clips don't transfer onto my iPad, so I normally need to just edit on my phone. But it's going to be a chilled editing bit for a while. Hopefully the video that I filmed today will go up tomorrow, and then this vlog will most likely, you will see it on Wednesday. You might see it sooner, but when you are seeing it right now, literally right now, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Do you want more of these types of videos? I've been very consistent with my uploading lately and trying to mix it up between vlogs and videos again, and I'm really enjoying it lately. Falling back in love with it, even though I loved it before, but I feel like I've fallen back in love more with editing and filming and being creative. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I might be doing another vlog tomorrow. I don't know. But for now, I'll see you later.